Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Pinterest pictures not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Pinterest. Click on that and you need to update your Pinterest application. As you can see, my Pinterest is up to date. Then you need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. So once you open, you simply need to scroll down. Here you can see app management option. Click on that. Here you can see app list. Click here. Search for the Pinterest. Click on that. Here you can see storage and cache. Click here. First you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. So once you complete that step, you simply need to restart your smartphone and log in into your Pinterest account, and after that your issue will be solved. So here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.